How'd you get off to last night?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, come on.
It's private, and it's weird, and I don't want to talk about it.
You know you're not going anywhere until I hear every detail.
You remember the English guy?
Do I ever? Strong arms, deep voice, totally into you. Oh, you didn't. Oh, fuck, you did. What? How was it?
It's fine. It's good. Fine. Fine.
It was bad.
No. It was just a bit weird.
Weird? What, as in like kinky weird?
No. He's a crier.
Like crying after sex crier?
Not quite.
Hear ye! I am coming!
Oh.
Action!
Jesus!
Action, Jesus.
Manly grunting noises. For that's sort of like
If you want manly grunting noises, you shouldn't have picked me.
yeah. But the point is,
I don't know.
you don't know your motivation here. Or...
Yes.
Okay, so what I want to hear is general about 5 times.
I'm so sorry, Vicky.
I know. Followed by
This is your
a pause
This is your outtakes.
and yeah, absolutely.